In this video, we're going to set up Claude Code inside Visual Studio Code. This is going to be the easiest way to use Claude Code. You do not need to use a terminal or anything like that. Let's get started. So the first thing you need is Visual Studio Code. All you have to do is head over to code.visualstudio.com and then on this website, click on this big white button. I'm using Mac, but you can do the same thing on Windows. It works the exact same way. Click on the button, download Visual Studio Code, and install it like any regular app on your computer. Next, what you need to do is you need to go to Claude and actually log in. This will actually save you a bunch of time when you're trying to set up Claude inside Visual Studio. Now, inside Visual Studio Code, you want to go into the extensions marketplace and search up Claude. The first result is the one with 7.9 million downloads. Probably when you download this extension, it might be higher or lower, but you want to use the one from Anthropic right here. So click on install, and it will basically ask you if you trust this publisher, and install. Now it's going to install Claude Code for Visual Studio Code. You just wait a couple of seconds and it will install the app for you. It's now installing everything you need to run Claude Code inside Visual Studio Code. Only install this exact plugin from Anthropic because there's a bunch of other plugins out there, but these are not the official ones. This is the official one. And people have reported that they got hacked because they installed some sketchy plugin that they thought was the real plugin. So only install this one. Also on GitHub, by the way, like there's a bunch of libraries on GitHub, but keep in mind that some of these libraries might contain viruses. Inside Visual Studio Code, you also have this app right here, which is called GitHub Copilot Chat. It's kind of the same thing, but you do not want to use this one. You want to use Claude, which is a lot better than this one actually. Once it's installed, you see this screen right here. Another last thing you have to do to set up Claude Code is you have to go to the top right here, and actually open up the chat and then log in. The way you do this is by clicking here on Claude AI subscription, and it will open up the Claude website. All you have to do is accept and authorize the connection. And now Claude is connected to your Visual Studio. Now you can just literally chat with it and build any app you want. If you want more tutorials on Claude Code or AI in general, make sure you subscribe. And also comment down below what you want to know about Claude Code. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.